Oh, hi guys, what's up? If you guys don't know me, I'm KK and I'm the guru of fun. Welcome to my food shop. And today I am out at Alamuchi State Park in New Jersey. And we just went for a nice hike. It was beautiful. You guys should also come here if you want. And now I'm a little exhausted, so let's make ourselves a banana milkshake. But obviously without ice cream because the ice cream would have melted like 2 hours ago. Okay. So I've got my portable blender, really nice. In this bottle I've got some nice milk so it wouldn't get spoiled, some vanilla extract, a banana, and a little bit of honey just to give some sweetness. So first, let's open up our blender. Okay, nice. We're gonna open up, should I shake it? Yeah, let's shake it. Okay, so let's open up. Yep, that smells good. Okay, so I'm gonna pour in some milk. Yeah, that should be about enough milk. Then we're gonna open a banana. Yep. And now I'm just gonna cut it off like that. Okay, and that should. You know, let's just put a little bit more. Okay, that's enough for banana. Let's add in some honey. Yep, just a teeny bit of honey. And some vanilla extract. So about 1 teaspoon, aka 1 lid full of vanilla extract should be perfect. And now I'm just gonna pop on the lid, just like that. Double click, and I'm just gonna turn it over, just like that. I mean, it's gonna wait about 30 seconds. It should automatically switch off after 30 seconds, and your smoothie will be done. Okay, so now it seems like it's done. Let's open it and let's test it. Let's taste test it. And look at that, nice banana smoothie. Let's test it. Let's taste test it. It is so delicious, and you guys have to try it for yourself. And I love this blender. It's a portable blender. You can charge it up, and in situations like this you can just get all the ingredients out and just do it on the go. You don't have to plug it in, and it's lightweight. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys next time.